today's video, we are deep cleaning the refrigerator coils underneath and behind where you cannot see them. And we're going to use a brush, apparently a puppy, and a vacuum to do this. Let's do it. We've got everything we need. Our brush is in place, our vacuum is rolling, and we are ready to go.
Just run these brush down through there and get in each coil. There's so much dust under the refrigerator that we do not know about. It needs to be cleaned. And I have a vacuum here, so I can just vacuum it right off of there. I don't put it back in there dirty because it could land and fall back there, and it's really hard to get. So this brush works great. Let's get this in here. Go through each one. I think I missed one. People don't think to do this, but look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Disgusting. I already vacuumed the front. It was just full of this kind of same stuff, just in the front, which I could reach, but this stuff I can't. I vacuumed the back. And this maintains your fridge and function better, so that, you know, it keeps the house healthier. Just so much healthier. At the end here. Let's see what comes out. Not too bad. We're getting it clean for sure. I just pushed it back and everything's clean. It used to be really gross under there, like super disgusting. And now we're just going to vacuum really quick. And that's it. Now we're going to clean the outside, and it's nice and clean, we know, back there. And so that's how you do it.
Thank you for watching my video today, and please subscribe to my channel if you would like to learn more tips on cleaning, organizing, anything you would ask your mom.